May ikan ni katupya. Paibong peg. Tong mamaya manu ba ay mayame yang badi Christmas. Hatu simi ang gumno. Menyetok mamaya bi maya. Sisa. Ban tere maya me me. Maya li cukup angel sya.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka Kot Admission nakamta ka Nursing but Paramedical Course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka By Admission ka Badunatam, but 6% ka Jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka Education Loan.
Ki kinhun Nonghikai Skul bat ki College deficit, ba pher haga jala Meghalaya, da ka wiga suruk la kantat, ban Pdiang Meghalaya non-government schools and college employees centralized fund scheme arah cara punriu baik lakin turu ika sorkar ban nyat kat kumi kendon an blapin scam nak benta ka jumento jong kinong tre hakish lampule khamtam kinong hikai ba kinong tre ki biya kendu jing on dak la shong thaj nakakam hagajunya kram kilap thai kubor hakar puwoi ru ya yong arah cara punriu President Kakasi Jayantia Deficit School Teachers Association Ubabu Boswell Pala ulong mukumikin hun ki ajing ro yu mindrang ba ka jelau konrat ke sangma ubalapin mana panpin trekam no nadu ka shitrik uyayong ya ka pension scheme kum ka jing itu yu sen yang ubin hei ubakin hikai glan no syusup uthiar ban sandur ya ka lawi jogi khenna Henry kajing persya air ka scheme baminta kalong nakadaw kajing apher ba ka draft scheme jo usnem arajar arpulai.
We are here as representatives of teaching and non-teaching staff of various deficit grant and aid institutions of the state of Meghalaya. We are the stakeholders in the various steps that the government takes with regard to education and the staff involved in deficit schools and colleges. You are aware that on the 1st of April 2026, this year, some 3 weeks back, the Honorable Chief Minister announced that the Meghalaya Non-Government Schools and Colleges Employees Centralized Fund Scheme 2026 was approved by the Cabinet. As per this scheme of 2026, the Chief Minister said that the employees of non-government schools and colleges will be able to avail the benefits of the Provident Fund in a structured and secure manner. Implied in the Provident Fund, as per the Meghalaya Non-Government School and Colleges Employees Centralized Provident Fund Scheme Act of 1969, we understand that the deficit staff, both teaching and non-teaching, are to get a pension scheme. We welcome a pension scheme that is extended to us as per the Act and the law, and in recognition of our contribution to society, especially in shaping young minds, the students. We appreciate also the government's recognition of our service and its commitment towards the education sector, especially us, the educators. However, as the main stakeholders, the teaching and non-teaching staff in deficit grant and aid institutions all across Meghalaya, schools and colleges, we are deeply concerned with this announcement of the Chief Minister on the 1st of April. The pension scheme that was announced on that day, the pension scheme of 2026, and it was notified by the Education Department of the Government of Meghalaya, was put up in the internet and views were sought on it sometime in January, February of this year. We, the members of the various associations and stakeholders, after discussing threadbare the set pension scheme of 2026 that was circulated on this public platform, we had unanimously rejected the same scheme of 2026 And we have also sent our objections and rejections to the Education Department. Numerous rejections submitted to the government through our different associations as stakeholders. The government has sadly gone ahead with the process of implementation of the rejected scheme, the scheme of 2026. As per the government's intent of forcibly or forcefully implementing the pension scheme of 2026, contrary to the matter being sub judice in court, the Education Department, through a letter, has issued a notification recently instructing and directing stakeholders, the members of the teaching and non-teaching staff in schools and colleges, both retired and currently serving, to open our individual PRAN accounts, PRAN, Permanent Retired Account Number. Here, may I inform the members through you, our friends in the press, and we would like to place on record that an earlier draft pension scheme of 2023 had been circulated, and it was thoroughly discussed, and it was mutually agreed upon and approved also by the government and the stakeholders as per the record of the court. There are many orders of the court that pertain to this. This pension scheme of 2023 is not the same as the recently announced notified scheme of 2026. It is completely different. Secondly, may I state that we, the stakeholders, those appointed before April 2010, have in all good faith and intention signed our consent, and accordingly we have transferred our provident funds as per the government's instruction to the Central Provident Fund account in SBI Lion branch. We expected during that transfer a just retirement benefit, which is mandated by the Act, again the Act of 1969. This retirement benefit would be in the form of the draft pension scheme of 2023. Important to note here that our members of the teaching and non-teaching staff in Meghalaya have been divided into two categories by the court, also by the government, acknowledged by the government. Teachers who were appointed before April 2010 would come under the CPF scheme under the Meghalaya Provident Fund Act of 1969, and those who were appointed from April 2010 onwards would come under the NPS. In fact, the office memorandum through a notification was sent to schools and colleges to implement this NPS sometime in 2024. But till now, nothing has happened. Disappointment with regard to this clubbing of all stakeholders under the same umbrella, under this recently announced notified scheme of 2026. So in light of the above, of these points that I've just discussed, we reiterate our complete faith in the judicial process, in the High Court. As I said earlier, the matter is sub judice, and we remain hopeful that as per the Act and the law and the notifications that were served earlier, justice will be delivered. We urge also the government to act in consonance with established legal provisions and in the best interest of teachers and the non-teaching staff as well, particularly the retired members of the deficit staff who are currently facing financial hardship, instability after years of dedicated service due to the delay in the implementation of this 1969 related to that pension scheme of 2023.
Pidan dukan marbam, ndai. Compare la ka berin, ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe, kum ki restaurant, bat ki wei, ni pishat roti, shat kiek, bat ki wei, na ka benta ka koi ka kya, jong ki pat ba, nong bam nong di. Pat ba pinyo ka jing shanya, naki, pidan kam bandon de ka license, ka papaka, ka bala itu da ka an, kata, ka Food Safety and Standards Act arajar henril, link ba ka section, lai puwei, iwei. Kamde ka ba pinyo ka license, pila ba na apply ka online, link ba ka website, foscas.fssai.gov.in, da ka ba pihap pa upload ru, ikot kisla badan kam, kat kum ka judging kam, jong pi. Pila ru banyak kendo, iki designated officers lani food safety officers, ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan ha Meghalaya, lat no tang ha is khasihers. Pila ban let bed chak office terekam jongki ke commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya. Nakabenta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di. Lawan Rasha P, daga Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bat Balakirshan, daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.